Dongguan Hongtou Sports Goods Co. Limited, established in 2012, is China's one of the foremost manufacturer of sports helmets. Our factory encompasses over 10,000 square meters with a completely specialized production chain, focused on producing bicycle helmets, skiing helmets, children helmets, balance bike helmets, roller skating helmets, climbing helmets, among others. Hongtou's products are exported to various international markets, including Europe and the United States, Asia and Africa, and Oceania. We have established comprehensive sales channels and a significant cooperation with many global brands merchants, wholesalers, and bicycle retailers. Our factory accepts OEM and ODM orders and is continuously expanding and inventing to satisfy the diverse needs of all our domestic and international customer groups. Our company has established the manual prototype room, the tooling department, the automatic screen printing workshop, plastic blister workshop, the forming workshop, and paint spraying production line. The monthly manufacturing output has reached 200,000 units, and we can provide a one-stop service from design to assembly and packing. As a well-known manufacturer of bicycle helmets in China, we have been acknowledged by the international market, and the majority of our products have been certified to various country standards, including European CE 1078, North American CPSC 1203, and Australian AS/NZS 2063. We continue to extend our markets and seek international distributors and partners, provide users with high quality, fashionable, and diversified customized products and services to meet the changing needs of the current consumer market. In order to be one dependable global supplier of bicycle helmets and sporting items, our business philosophy is customer-centric and quality-driven. Thank you for viewing. Looking forward to working with you.